Ebusia, seriously, another filler, but this is a big filler. This filler, it will bust your mind. And I think the youth must be arise to this filler. A very big one, it will bust your mind. And I don't want to hide this filler. I want to make sure I bring the filler out days before the 17th. Tear me. Before the 17th of October. Yonkotie.
Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. And yesterday, I told you guys that I have something that I have to share with you, right? If you remember. Now, kudos to all of you out there. Mo subscribe, comment. You guys know, say anytime you comment, I'll definitely come on your way so we can have a community chat going on. And I'm doing my best. If I've not commented back to you, please, when you see this video, let me know at the comment section. Say it to me that Top Gossip, you've not replied my comment yet, and I'm going to go look out for it and comment back to you. Now, that's the next one. The second one I want to talk about, I've told you guys that if you want to be receiving my videos first, all you have to do is to go down my bio, look for my membership plan, and join my membership. Be a member of this YouTube. So anytime I post a video, you also get it first to watch and put your comment out there. So I'll come in and let's have a chit chat on the comment section. Now, quickly, let's go and talk about what I told you I'll be telling you. Today is 2nd, right? Tomorrow is going to be 3rd. And you guys know, okay? You guys know, say, the days that we're giving to Ehinetu, the self-acclaimed Igbo king, approaching 15 days more to go. Tomorrow it will be 14 days more to go. Now I'm coming here to tell you, based on the information and the intel I am picking from my guys, said this man in question has a plan, but this plan up or he want to use that plan to just play around with what Dr. AYARIGA and the guys are trying to do, right? Our plan is say, on that very day or a day before that very day, this man want to plan say or to coin BR. Now, initially, we're picking some intel say that very day, he will travel out to Nigeria. That's what we are picking initially. Okay, after so another intel I answer HSA either say obetu coin Liberia because only upon we are a little bit close, so he's planning to visit George Oponwia in Liberia. Within that time frame now, we want to do, or the guys want to do, the citizen arrest on that 17th of October now. And these are the two places we're planning say Obeko, right? These are the two places we're planning say Obeko. Now let me just say if we want to do this job and do it clean, the only thing we have to do is say we have to get people around the airport, which we can get to see, said we'll see him passing through. Because why not doing say or escape through their rings and also through the borders and stuff like that. No, they are called baby person call who call if you on my that's the information I picky on ground, right? Now the next place why not doing so be to me catch them last and they say the wife is the one behind everything or a strong pillar. He's more or less like Marijata. She's just like a bosom. She say and the wife no and that be piano all the things that is going on or no and your cause every police headquarters every immigration office try so be contacting other big government wings to see what they can do to stop Dr. AYARIGA any guys no so or no and I say no or big wing including the PRO and Rami and who video no any Jataba. These are the people he's using and manipulating around to see say before that time will come no obe to me stop what the guys are intended to do no obe to me stop now. So that is also what he's trying to do. Now I told you guys say only ni yere no omo property be was central ho afensu information ya piki HSA they are trying rather instead of say ombe to kwako Nigeria ombe fu yina de ombe boka and I said because of that they will travel to omo ayo imagine say that 17th of October no ahomache they will hit the road to the central region. Okay, manyani ntie say there's a program coming on in the central region somewhere in the central region. Information reaching me say they overheard him discussing with somebody with respect to program be a coffee or central region. So on the 16th before 17th no obefim ewakra ebusia muntie me yo. So when you guys are planning something, you know what you are planning. That's the only way by which I can put the information out here. Send be also obia be hu. Send be 17th ni do no ni ho no ma. It shouldn't be say you call me hu no. Mama o feel no. Send be you will be able to get him. Makaje musaha oba hanoma. All we do ni say fila. That is what we are putting out here. We don't really want to we don't care what is gonna pop up. We want to put the filler information out there as to what we are getting. Okay, so that is information we are getting right now as to what he's planning to do. Say 16th ahomachen and now say 17th ahomachen no, they will hit the road traveling to where? Somewhere in the central region. Sinebea boys no kofi kra mun konkotono and I say bibisa and I say bibisa mu tuno and I say bibisa. After so the other information we are picking. Okay, the other information we are picking, I told you guys that there's one woman be our police headquarters. A brand Dr. Hassan Ayariga, any guys in the call no. That particular woman was the same woman who was calling them and telling them stories. Or no, or muko we are not afraid. Oh, I'm about how say no about money ya tip no kakra. So that particular woman is the one who keep giving all those informations. All the informations out there or no faster information Emma Igbo King and their wife self-acclaimed Igbo leader no any wife no Dr. Hassan Ayariga Misremo muko honoma. The whole thing is I'm trying to reach out but muko honoma. This is what they are doing. Once you guys leave pay that's our lady no wanya info no afraid no catch so another information we are getting is say they are planning, said they will use the police. Send on that very day, no, either they will leave or they will not leave. The police will be mounted. There will be presence of police, huge police presence. Just to protect it, but and also no, it's not assured because the when who say Ghana Police Service no and share that and yet people that he can rely on, even though the wife is using and pulling all the strings. Or police strings, papa. First, no, now if he said the wife is doing nothing, but I'm telling you, say, look. It is true, say it is here nearby, but I can tell you on authority, say, Nyama na woman no. It is more than what the man is doing. The man is just relaxed. So, or I can't say, you know what? Relax, Oga. Me, I go do for you. So everything that is going on right now, no, mameno, ene akoniaba, mameno, ene ditemi, mameno, ene niama. You understand me? Mameno, ene ama niama the way econo because or no, or ye cause, or ye say, everything, or no. Or frefre and all ye nyama bibre at the end of the day. They will use that thing to stop Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the guys. Okay, I know, say you guys have many intel, but I'm telling you this one, say central region hono peso korma kacha say omato asasiebi e was central. And information reaching us, there's a 2-3 months ago, and he say that was the land that Omudi Yichre say Omuntu Asase, but people went there to go and destroy that fence now Omwesino. And the information reaching us, say sa land no develop part of it, but everything is in the name of the woman. Until they will be heading towards somewhere in central region. No marco tech ewo honomo. Me. When I say something and you don't listen, don't say I didn't tell you. They are trying to run away from their home. And they are trying to exploit every opportunity and I say every other chance on Benyano so that's basically what they are doing. Now let me tell you something here without fear or favor. I'm telling you, if the Igbo King, and as a self-acclaimed Igbo King, say he's not scared, he's lying. He's very scared. Very scared. Now, again, let me also say something. I've seen some people coming to write it down the comment, say, oh, he's married to a Ghanaian, and he obedient to me, yeah, and I say. Let me just say it here and say, the same constitution obi opportunity to marry to a Ghanaian, to have documentation to stay in Ghana. No, the same constitution declare say against the constitution, even in other jurisdiction, they can strip you of your citizenship. And according to information, Dr. Hassan Ayariga Sangadano, criminality. So if criminality is part of the whole game, then at the end of the day, the law now or rely on the law. No, that law now able to me then. Eddie Free Ghana. You understand the point here? So for those coming to my comment section to come and comment about law, about the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana and what the Constitution is saying, blah blah blah, about all those things, no, this is the explanation to it. When a case is determined against you, say who was some criminality case be against you with all that, you know, at the end of the, and I said fraud be, and I said why you be a fraud in idea, and I said we're able to determine say BB a coso, then you cannot run away from it. So that's the explanation to that. Okay, that's the explanation to that. Now let me just say here also, say maameno ni wife no, maameno ni wife no, niama e koso ofie ni na no ono e na eye in charge. Now again, the kids are very worried. Honestly, information reaching me say answer me ba be mountain way HS nkwala no kra no anije bia ni omomo, because they bia no be ho a mo papa nim e wo social media say and they keep asking, daddy, what is going on? And he keeps explaining, oh no, this one they forget about it, is a gimmick. That's why sometimes you see them coming to social media to come and be making hula baloo about all this, and they are dancing, they are doing the enu nyina na unso mo sani ade nyina sana mo se nyina no e just counterfeit or mo call them they are not able to sleep. I can tell you on authority, they are not able to sleep. So guys, take note from me, okay? One, before that 17th, no, he's trying to travel to Nigeria. Why not doing say obe too kwine? Send are you guys when you go there on munkutono? So obe travel to Nigeria. Obe kwa shembe 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 1 week. Now wasaba. Osaba send na murefi say bibisa air kwaso. We will be monitoring that one at the point of entry our airport or see from King. I will come back and come and tell you say akwano abu when to me and to call Nigeria, and I say to me to call Liberia, I will still come back to come and tell you, baby or what. I'm telling you guys, say information it's more or less like a spiritual a bunny say and it's something else. But guys, what I'm saying here is say take it and let's work together. Let's plot all the holes critical, okay? Let's plot people. Ni nyame say mo ana mo ben honi ade no mo ye sure say ni fie hono no there will be some security arrangement say ne be ya opia obe so call airport, and also say mo get people around the airport to get more of the information because e airport because otu kwan ya or na wasan ba enya ade a o mabium, he will definitely come back because the wife now can say nobody can take the husband from her. Waka say nobody can take the husband from her. And Onukrapono, New can say the white husband shouldn't travel to Nigeria, Liberia or no. She should stay home. He should stay home and nothing can happen because our links, our police headquarters. And I catch him say whatever will happen in the police headquarters, no, muko ya no be afraid. Now that lady in the police headquarters, the way a man I managed to get the name of immigration officer or your link, me digi woody and madam. Say we a sergeant to say we a corporal or whatever it is. I'm digging sergeant to say corporal grace or me dinu me bow dinu sergeant or say grace or say whatever. Be very careful because you are entering into a very dangerous place. And I won't why doing say because of no few way then go give you unti. Say the guys come there no then you call and then you try to do your thing because you want some money, then they will give you the money. So guys, Mukwa police headquarters honuma, be careful from. Let me give you guys the gist. When I don't know which of the police officers you are normally you go there to go and see, okay? If it's the IGP or the CID boss, there's one lady or what CID boss office honomo, that lady or no or ni kala ni sheda nye fair or mu brownish be sa lady no or no, she keep giving the information out there to these people, and that is why anytime you guys go there, no, then the information will leak. Anytime you guys go there, no, the information will leak. That's what that lady is there for. She is an informant. She is just like what do you call barrister Jataba and Agongo say ni Amwa Amasahini or whatever. I get the name of that PRO ni Amasaos ni Amwa. I've gotten his name and I know Ejela La Nyobini. So I know all these people are working around the clock to make sure say they frustrate whatever is going on. Now kudos to Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Let me use this opportunity to use to say one or two things about Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Guys, if you look at Dr. Hassan Ayariga from the way he's doing his things, honestly speaking, you can see say we can count on, we can believe in him, we can vote for him. For me, from where I sit, let me say 2028, all the youth in Ghana, go ahead, let's support Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the APC. We need a third political party to solve this problem, okay? To solve this problem. Now, there's one video that I saw. Guys, one Nigeria guy was saying something. Nagani kasa yena miti yeno. Ebusia eto asomo. He's saying something that makes sense. So far, this is the only Nigerian I have seen saying something on social media about this issue and what we are fighting about in Ghana and what we are doing on the street of Accra. Nyansa ena dream ewum. Ebusia, I have the video with me, and if you want to watch it, I will. This one is not bloody. This one is not bloody, so I can voluntarily send it to you. Okay. Otherwise, I will post that video on my next video, and you see what I'm talking about, because that is the only Nigeria boy okasa anyoka nyansa ewomu ebusia. I will bring that video maybe on my next chapter. But guys, remember, when you comment, I'll come down there and we'll comment below. Now, I've told you guys what you want to hear, right? 1, he's planning to travel to Nigeria through the airport. 2, planning to travel to Liberia to go and see Oponya in the name of just running away from Dr. Hassan. 3, trying to make sure he will go to Central Region or more baby or not. So when you guys go there for the citizen arrest, you won't find him. So I want to tell you guys to say, early enough from 14th, 15th, 16th to 17th, mount up there and make sure you watch his in and out. That's ene yebeshia piao yeko. Bye for now.